Within the Department of Defense application ecosystem, several interconnected, federated, and disparate systems are synchronized using interfaces or manual processes, leading to millions of unmatched transactions, or UMTs. This takes millions of dollars and thousands of man-hours to adjudicate. cBEYONData's Humanless Unmatched Transactions solution, known as HUnT, is an artificial intelligence and machine learning solution, also known as AI/ML, that predicts the root cause of UMTs. HUnT uses AI and ML to determine the specific reason each UMT failed and identifies the corrective action to resolve the UMT. Each unique reason for an unmatched transaction requires a distinct corrective action to resolve the UMT. HUnT uses this data to create a reason action for each UMT an agency receives daily. Once the reason action is identified, HUnT is then able to categorize UMTs into automatically generated templates for various downstream bots that can process mass corrections of a variety of common accounting issues. HUnT addresses common, universal problems under the following 3 strategic focus areas. 1. Improving situational awareness and decision-making by providing tailored information that summarizes data sources into executive dashboards. 2. Streamlining business processes by using AI/ML to automatically categorize unmatched errors into populations that are eligible for bot use, enabling mass corrections of common accounting errors. And 3. Developing a digital age workforce by reducing the need for manual identification and corrective actions, and replacing that labor with AI/ML. To further illustrate HUnt's capabilities, let's dive a little deeper into the platform. Here, we see HUnt's ML accuracy over time. As the dataset grows in size each month and HUnT is retrained, it becomes gradually more accurate. This is an automated process that's done overnight, with built-in controls and safekeeps. The 2 colored lines represent the training accuracy of the 2 models used by HUnT for different tasks: purchase order prediction and reason action prediction. HUnt's clusters can be configured to meet the throughput requirements of each unique organization, allowing the product to be optimized for cost and performance. The HUnT team has extensive experience in determining the optimal specifications for each use case. To track and monitor ML metrics over time, HUnT utilizes Databricks ML Flow. This gives a comprehensive view into what's happening with the models as they adapt to fit new incoming data. Here, we see predictions made by HUnT. Our output table shows the invoice number that was initially given, then the processing date, the HUnT ML prediction for purchase order, and the HUnT ML prediction for reason action. Being built on Databricks, HUnT scales incredibly well to handle massive volumes of data. Here, we see the HUnT dialog box indicating that 88,000 UMTs were processed today, in a period of 6 minutes. In order to diagnose and fix UMTs, HUnT utilizes ML and robotic process automation. HUnT is deployed on Advana, which is housed in a secure DoD cloud environment. HUnT collects data from multiple DoD enterprise resource planning, or ERP systems, and combines them together to create a baseline of information for each UMT. Next, it uses an ML model to guess the missing purchase order, PO number, from each UMT, which provides a high-level identification of the transaction. Once found, the transaction can be identified further by looking at the individual line of accounting, or LOA, within each PO number. Since a PO number can have just one or several LOAs within it, HUnT uses business rules to determine the correct LOA of each UMT. After the PO and LOA are found, a second ML model predicts the appropriate reason action for each UMT, which denotes which transactional category each UMT belongs to, of which there are more than 20. Finally, after all the information is filled out, the UMTs are split up by their determined reason action and sent to the respective downstream automation for correction. For example, all transactions labeled as insufficient receipt amount are sent to the receipt bot, while transactions labeled incorrect PO number are sent to the clearing bot. HUnT has been running successfully in the DoD production environment for over 2 years, including with the Washington Headquarters Service, Defense Counterintelligence and Security Agency, and the United States Marine Corps. Over this time, it has made over 600,000 ML predictions on real UMTs in their real agency environments. As a result of this work, cBEYONData has gained extensive experience and insight into troubleshooting, enhancing, and testing HUnT. Accordingly, HUnT is categorized as very mature, at a technology readiness level, TRL, of 8 or higher. Not only are our competitors unable to match HUnt's speed in identifying and correcting unmatched transactions, but HUnT is the only solution in the market that does it end-to-end.